Hey, Jason Stretch, co-founder of Free Automotive Service and Technician Training. Also a shop owner with Legendary Automotive. So I want to go over the 5 steps to putting on an event like this. So number 1, decide. Join us in bringing technicians, shop owners, and trainers together to literally get the training that's needed to technicians in our industry and raise the standard that has been dropped within our industry. So you've decided, what do I do next? Well, step 2, and that comes down to, well, what type of training is needed? And that may be asking around, asking technicians, looking at your technicians in your shop. You just need to figure out what training is needed and then find that training. How do you go about finding a trainer? There's many elements, many pages all over Facebook, and there are a lot of trainers that are aligned with different parts brands. So going to your local Napa or your O'Reilly's or whatever parts company and finding out what products they rep, getting in touch with those product reps and seeing what trainers they have available. Most of these companies have a budget to deliver training in your area and may, in the end, not cost you or your shop any money. Step 3, set a date. So now that you've made the decision and you've figured out what you're gonna train and who the trainer's gonna be, it's time to set the date. Set it on a Saturday so it's not interrupting with the work week. And that's gonna encourage a whole bunch of other people to attend as well. Eventbrite is a great place to go to set up the event and get people to RSVP. So you actually know people are coming. Another thing too, once you've set the date, is getting handouts, getting flyers produced, and getting those circulated to other shops in the area. Now you can do that through other parts vendors and hang them on doors at different auto parts stores. There's a million things that can be done, but promote. There's a lot of shop owners that you probably know that if you just went and had a communication with them, a conversation, they'd bring their whole team. And that's really what you want to do, is try to get as many people to come to that event. Now, step 4, this is where you're really getting prepared to deliver and delivering the event itself. So you're going to need tables, you're going to need chairs, you're going to want to provide breakfast, you're going to want to provide lunch. Now, chances are the local parts company that you do a lot of business with, they'll help you with the food in the morning or the food in the afternoon. So it's not costing you money. But getting everything figured out based on the amount of people that are coming, is the trainer going to need a projector screen? Are they going to need a projector? Are they coming with all that stuff? Really spending the time to make sure that everything starts, it goes off without a hitch and everybody has a great time. Then the delivery happens on that Saturday, making sure the shop's nice and clean, everything's ready to go, welcoming everybody there, and then just enjoying the success in seeing your own team and knowing that all these other technicians are also being helped with your decision to make this a reality. Now, last step, step 5, promote to other shops. We've seen it time and time again. Every time there's an event, it inspires another shop owner, another master technician from a shop to want to do the same thing at another shop. And that's what this is all about. So sharing your success with other shops, getting the videos and the pictures from your event shared to us will help motivate and inspire shops throughout America and the rest of the world. Listen, we have shops throughout Florida now that are doing FASTT or something similar. There's Idaho, Arizona, and we'd love to get some other states involved. And by your success and sharing that, we're bringing this whole group together, and the power is just starting to amplify and expand. And this is really going to make the difference, guys. So these are the 5 steps. If you need more help, the best thing to do is join FASTT. And we'll send you a PDF which will have all of these things broken down with a lot more detail. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video and to take a look at the FASTT page and the idea about bringing technicians, trainers, and shop owners together as a way to solve the problem of delivering the training that our technicians need in our industry. Thank you.